Good day, I'm Novi Balancer from BTLD1B. Today I'm going to recite 10 examples of carpentry tools and its functions. The first tool I'm going to recite is nails. Nails are identified for their typical use, such as flooring, casing, or roofing, or by a physical features such as galvanized, coated, or spiral. Some nails have galvanized and non-galvanized versions. Use galvanized nails for outdoor projects and non-galvanized nails for indoor projects. Screws. Screws replace nails for hanging wallboards, installing, blocking between studs, and flooring. It is also used to attach workpiece in a plastic brick or concrete. Plumb Bobs. Plumb Bobs are commonly used to find marking points to position a saw plate when building a wall. Chalk lines. Chalk lines is used to mark straight lines on flat surface for layout. It is also used to mark sheet goods and lumber for cutting. Levels. Levels help build walls, countertops, shelves, cabinets, and steps in perfectly vertical, correct, and consistent pitch. Glues and adhesive. Glues and adhesive is used to hold materials together. Use hot glue for lightweight woodworking projects, carpenter's glue for wood joints, and carpentry adhesive for preliminary installing of thin panels and lumbers. Squares. The purpose of squares is to mark sheet goods and lumbers for cutting, making quick cross cuts, and marking angles. Tool belts. Tool belts is used as an organizer. It has slots, loops, or pockets to carry tools. Prying tools. Prying tools is used to remove existing materials without damaging the lumber. Hacksaw. Hacksaw is used to cut and carve pieces of wood into different shapes and sizes. And that's all. Thank you.